welcome back to my channel. Today we have a little update video slash office tour. Yes, you heard that right. That means I have a job again. I do have my job back from before the coronavirus hit, so I am now back with them. I do have a home office that is set up in my house upstairs. I'll be giving you a little tour about, showing you like before and after pictures and stuff like that. It's not, 100% set up. This was my first day today, and I just got done having my first day back at work, and now I'm filming a video about it. So if you want to see this little update that I have going on in my life and my family's life, and want to see kind of the setup I have for my office right now, stick around and we're gonna get straight on into the video. Alright, first things first, I just want to give you a little update about my life. Yes, I am back in Florida. If you haven't seen some of my vlog videos, I did vlog me moving back down to Florida. I also have been to Atlanta recently, which I have 2 vlogs about as well. Those were really fun. I really liked going to Atlanta, so if you want to see those videos, I'll link them up in the eye. I forget which corner it's in, but I'll link those up there as well. Don't forget to check out my social media down below in the description. I have everything linked below for you guys. And as you heard from the beginning of the video, yes, I have my job back. It's still with the same company I was with before, so I'm very grateful to have my job back. I'm very thankful that I get to be working from home as well. My other coworkers are also at home working as well, and I basically set up a little office area for myself, which is really fun, and I will be showing you a tour of that at the end of the video. But I wanted to give you a little bit more update on my life because there is quite a lot going on recently. We have some big changes in my family. As you know, I'm here back in Florida. My sister has also been living in Florida for the past year or 2 now. She moved down about a year after I did and moved in with me. My sister is moving to the UK in about a month or 2. I'm not going to delve too much into her life because I don't think she wants her life broadcasted, but obviously, if you do follow her, she is moving to the UK. It's not a hidden secret or anything like that, but she has currently moved out of her apartment, moved all of her stuff back into the house, which is currently a mess. Literally moved in last night at midnight, unpacked everything. So it's pretty much all in the garage and the living room, and we still have to sort it out. And she's going to be storing some stuff here and getting rid of some stuff, all the fun of moving. And she's moving to a completely different country, so there's a lot less that she can take with her. So a lot of it's going to be here as well. And that is where my office came into play. Luckily, they had a desk and chair that I was able to purchase off them for my in-home office. So I guess her moving and everything came at a pretty great time for me. So I was able to get a nice desk and office chair. So I still have a couple of things that I need to move around in the office and do, but basically the gist of it is there. And if you have seen one of my previous videos, it was a hand-me-down lookbook type of thing. My sister had given me all these clothes, and yes, that is because she is moving out of country. So I got first dibs, of course, on if I wanted the clothes or not, or if they're going to be donated. And yeah, so that's what that was all about. Hopefully things are making a little bit more sense now, but I am not going to, again, delve too much into her background and what she's doing. Gonna leave that up to her if she wants to post that on social media or not. But I just wanted to let you know she moved back in, so I have a lot more stuff here I'm gonna be sorting through for the next few days. And I have a new job, well, a new old job, I guess, and a new office in my house as well. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on in my life. I know a lot of family and friends watch, so if you wanted to know, there it is. And without further ado, we can just get straight on into my mini office tour. It's not much, but I mean, it'll work for now. And it's much better than just, setting up willy-nilly. But let's go into the office and I will show you what I have. So I know it's dark. There's no ceiling lights, so we have a bunch of lamps in here. This one is connected to this little plug-in, which is connected to this little remote. And the light turns on with a remote. I know this is a little weird. We had 2 mattresses in here. I will show you a picture of what the room looked like before all of this. I'll put that in now, but basically there was 2 twin beds against the wall over here, and we had a dresser on the opposite wall, and that was pretty much just the room. So we had to take the mattresses for now, and we had to just stack them right there and get them out of the way. And this is the office space. I have my desk set up here, I have a chair, and I have 2 monitors. Let's turn on the rest of the lamps. We've got this one. There's like almost no light with that one. I usually keep the window open, but the sunlight is not working with anything with the camera right now. So this is basically the gist of my office. This is where I do all my work. I have purchased this from my sister and the office chair as well. 2 monitors provided from work, really nice. And this is the TV that I have. This was actually in my bedroom, and I just moved it up here, and I basically like stood it up in case so I could see it a little bit better. But I usually like having background noise or something while I work. And then yeah, I just have some little decorations over here. These paintings were here when we redid the rooms, and it looks like we have to redo the rooms again. But this is basically it. One thing I actually really do need is a little plastic mat over here because I can't wheel around on the carpet, so I'm gonna have to purchase one of those. But other than that, this is pretty much it for now. It's gonna stay this way for a while until we figure out what to do with the beds, if we're gonna keep them or sell them or whatever. So yeah, this is basically it, and this is how I'm gonna be working for a while. It's not anything too amazing. I didn't do like a full remodel in the room, just because I don't know how long this is going to last, and I don't want to change a bunch of things if it's not going to last. So this is just what I'm gonna do for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little office tour. I know it's very tiny. There's not much going on in here. And my little life update. Hopefully you guys find these interesting. I know you really liked some of my other update videos. Just letting you know what's going on in my life. But that's pretty much it for this video. Just want to give you a quick update and let you know what's going on. So thank you for sticking around and hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Click the bell notification so you're notified of every time I post a brand new video. And don't forget to also look at my social media links down below. If you really want to hang out with me, I'm on there a lot more often than I post on YouTube. But thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!